Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to find your iPhone's IP address while you're on Wi-Fi, and then how to find your public IP while on cellular. We'll start with finding your IP while you're on Wi-Fi, whether at home or on a public network. This is also fairly common, for instance, to look up while on a private workplace Wi-Fi. First, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi and then open Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi and you'll see a list of all of the available networks. At the top, you'll see the network that you're connected to with a check next to it. Tap the eye on the far right of the name. Looking towards the bottom, you'll see the IPV4 address section, and inside of there, the IP address. Mine, for instance, here is 10.0.0.215. That's more than likely the address that you'll be looking for, but if you need the IPv6 address, that can also be found underneath. Now let's look at how to find your public IP while you're on a cellular network. First, I'm going to shut off Wi-Fi. Close Settings and then open Safari. Up in the search bar, type My IP. Google should then give you a search result, and at the top will more than likely show your IPv6 address. You can then choose one of the search results like What's my IP address, and it will then show you both your v4 and v6 addresses here. And that's how you find your iPhone's IP address on either Wi-Fi or cellular. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.